Ever stare at a pile of zucchini and wonder, now what? This creamy zucchini soup is the answer. It's smooth, velvety, and delicious. Start by sautéing onion and garlic with a pinch of salt. Cook until they're softened and smelling amazing. Now add thyme and rosemary and cook just a quick minute to wake up those herbs. Next comes the heart of it all, zucchini and potatoes. I like using baby potatoes since they're thin-skinned, but honestly, any potatoes you've got will work. Cook those veggies for a few minutes, then stir in better than bouillon vegetable paste in water, or use veggie broth if you prefer. Just keep in mind, both can be a little salty, so taste as you go. Bring it all to a boil, then let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the veggies are tender. Blend it smooth until it's silky. You can use a blender or an immersion blender. Pour it back into the pot and stir in coconut cream for a luscious, creamy finish. Don't worry, it won't make it taste too coconutty. You can serve this soup warm for a cozy dinner or chilled in the summer for a refreshing twist. Top it with fresh thyme, a drizzle of olive oil, maybe some crunchy air fryer croutons or roasted chickpeas. And if you want to surprise your taste buds, garnish with chopped dates or golden raisins. That's it, simple, cozy, and full of fresh garden flavor. Creamy zucchini soup, done in under 30 minutes. Visit Nuts and Twigs for the details.